Fish Nick here. It's Saturday, October 29th. I'm going to try the Wisconsin River next to a dam. I'm going to go for some, hopefully, walleyes, crappies, bass. We'll try to get whatever bites. I'm not going to be using any live bait. It's just going to be twister tails and rattling rapalas. And that's pretty much all I should need to use. So it's kind of a drizzly day. Hopefully it doesn't rain too bad. I'm going to be trying out a new camera. I bought one of those water wolf cameras that go underwater, and I'm going to use it above water and try it out just to see what happens. First crappie of the day. Fell for the white twister tail. 3/8 ounce jig head. Pretty heavy for crappies, but hey, crappies have big mouths, so it's working. Okay, second fish is just a little crappie. These guys are lucky that my freezer is full and I don't need any fish right now, so I'm letting them all go. It's their lucky day. So I can see my rattling rapala on the screen. So it's kind of like ice fishing. You know, when I'm drifting just right, you know, it's pretty fun because you can see the fish come in and you can change your cadence. So it's just like ice fishing almost. Pretty nice system, nice setup. That transducer that I use here is an ice fishing transducer, same one I use for ice fishing, and it fits right through a scrapper hole just like that, but up under that hatch, and it's just perfect for this kayak. Okay, fish on, and I marked it. I marked it right there. Holy shit, look at that crappie. I marked it on the graph and I jigged above it, and he smoked it, and that's a monster. That's like a 15-inch crappie right there. Okay, I haven't caught a crappie this big in a long time. Not since fishing a big old plane ice fishing. This is like a 15-incher. It's over a pound for sure. This thing is a pig. I'm gonna measure it up. Yeah, with the mouth open, that's a 15-incher right there, buddy. Cool. Yep, that's in my probably top 5 biggest crappies ever, and caught on a rattle trap. What a slab. It's his lucky day because I'm not keeping fish today. Man, another 2 inches longer and I'd mount that baby. Cool. There it goes. Caught on a rattle trap and I watched it come in and hit it. And it's actually a rattling rapala. Blue. Nice. Trying out a new camera today. It's a Water Wolf underwater camera. Picked it up on Amazon.com, and the price was right, so I thought I'd give her a shot. We'll see how it turns out. I'll put some footage on. I'm just filming out above the water, a little bit underwater, but just to try it out. Got a looker. See if I can get him to pop. It's just like ice fishing. I tease him a little bit. Here comes one. Here comes one. Pulling her away from him. See if he'll go after it. Oh, come on. Okay, I just jigged up a walleye. Little guy, but it was kind of cool because I watched him hit. Sweet. Just a little shrimper I gotta let go. Okay, it's starting to get dark and I just rattled in a walleye. I did not see it on the camera. I just jigged a couple times with the rattling rapala and he smoked it. Nice walleye, too small to keep. Not that I'd keep them anyway tonight. Okay, that's it for tonight. Got some nice crappies, a couple nice walleyes, just not big enough to be legal. But it was a good trip. in the kayak, getting some exercise, having some fun. NFN out.